From your home page, you have many different options as to how you may customize your page. The first thing you may want to do is change your banner. To change your banner, next to the home page text, there's a small drop-down arrow. Here, you're able to select the Page Banner option. Under the Page Banner option, you will be given a space to be able to add whatever items you may want into your page banner. You also have the ability to add a file or an image to be able to supplement the text you may have already imported. Once satisfied, we can press the Submit button and add that to our Blackboard site. Below our banner, we'll see a number of different modules in which our students will use to start to be aware of what is located on our site. If you want to add additional class modules, we would select the Add Class Modules and then choose any items we may wish to display. If you want to remove a module, you may do so here as well. To return to your home page, we need to only select the small house to the right of our class name. Having removed the calendar, we find that the calendar module is no longer present on our home page. If we have a module in which we wish to add an additional piece to, we can select the More option in the bottom right hand side. By clicking More Announcements in the Announcement module, we then have the ability to create an announcement to be placed into our module. To return, again, we hit the Home button to go back to our home page. To the left, we'll see a number of different links that students can use to navigate our page. If we have a tab to the left that we wish to rename, we can do so with a small drop-down arrow again. We can rename the tab, we can delete the tab, or we can hide it if we don't want students to currently have access to that area. One thought would be you could potentially have each tab given its own unit, hiding those tabs until students get to that unit in the year, and then releasing those tabs for students to be able to use them. If you wanted to add additional tabs, you would go to the plus arrow and add Content Area. You can then call the tab whatever you may wish. You can select it to be available immediately, or you can leave it unselected to allow availability at a later date. Once submitted, it will be added to your list. Currently, you'll notice it has got a gray mark, meaning it is currently unavailable. To make it available, we would merely hit the down arrow and permit guests or parents. Once selected, it will take us to a blank area where we can add files, images, web links, test surveys or assignments, blogs or discussion boards, or any other items we may wish to add to that particular link. To remove it again, from the down arrow, we would hit the delete button, and that would then allow us to remove that area from our tabs on our home page. If interested in what students will see when they access your home page, in the upper right hand corner is our edit mode. By selecting off, we would see what the students see when they gain access to our Blackboard site.